Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're just going to be unboxing this Nissan Skyline R35. And in my other video, I unboxed and reviewed the other Skyline, which is the GT 2000, whatever the fuck it's called. Don't mind the fact that it's Power Rangers, just mind the fact that it's a GTR and it was the only thing I could find. So let's get into opening it. Yep, typical R35. Well, just rip this out because don't need it. Yes, it looks very nice. Oh, Jesus. Are you kidding me? I dropped my screwdriver. Okay, just take that out, and there we go. GTR. Unlike the GTR from Fast and Furious that Jada makes, or any other GTR, this one just kind of looks super weird. Also, knowing the fact that it's Power Rangers, and is very weird in general. But a nice looking car. Maybe if it didn't have the weird symbols on the sides. But I'm guessing any 5 or 6-year-old or 10-year-old would want to play with this. They would love it. Oh yeah. Okay. Ooh. That's pretty odd. Usually this piece right here is chrome. Let's look at the back. Oh yeah. They added an opening hood, but you can't really open it because the wing's in the way. Yeah. Real smart, Jada. Looking at the inside, kind of looks like a dildo gear shifter, but still looks pretty nice. Nice interior. I like how the thing's really light. Well, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and bye.